Have you ever given any thought to the kingdom of heaven?
What?
Repent. The kingdom of heaven is at hand.
You ain't just whistling Dixie.
Armageddon is almost upon us.
I got news for you. It's already here.
Go away!
But your souls are in danger.
Our lives are in danger, you beatnik.
She never slows down. She doesn't know why, but she knows that when she's all alone, feels like it's all coming down. She won't turn around. The shadows are long and she fears if she cries that first tear, the tears will not stop. And the fears whispering, if she stands, she'll fall down. She wants to be found. The only way out is through everything she's running from. Wants to give up and lie down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain. So stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. Stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. So stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain.
If she really wanted to help, she would use her spirit magic to blow up that factory.
Spirit magic doesn't work that way, Sokka. It's more like woo.